Your doctor isn't telling you this about your labs, and it could be the reason why you're struggling to lose fat and perform well, even if your macros are perfect. So your red blood cells directly affect your ability to burn fat and produce energy, and even if your labs look normal, they could still be holding you back. And that's because your red blood cells contain hemoglobin, which carries oxygen, and oxygen is critical for two key processes inside the mitochondria. Number one is beta oxidation, which is how our body burns fat, and number two is the electron transport chain, where most of our ATP, which is our body's energy, is produced. So if your red blood cells become too big, then oxygen delivery to the mitochondria becomes compromised, and that leads to poor fat loss, low energy, and poor performance. Often the root cause of this is micronutrient deficiencies in folate and B12. And when deficient, your red blood cells become too big, you'll see a high MCV marker on your blood labs, which is the average size of your red blood cells, and MCV should be under 90, even though the standard reference range is 80 to 100. Now here's the catch. You can't just take folate and B12 for a week and fix the problem. Your red blood cells take 120 days to regenerate, so fixing this requires patience. And there are other potential root causes for high MCV, like liver dysfunction, alcohol consumption, or hypothyroidism. So you need to figure out what you actually are trying to fix in order to correct a high MCV and improve your oxygen deliverability and absorption in the mitochondria. Drop your questions below.